This is our 2016 Mazda CX-5, and we like it. It's a great vehicle. It's been easy to maintain and drives well. And the only thing that has bugged me for quite a while now is this. And what is that? What is that noise? Oh my God. It's only on the back and forth does it do it. Seat back or up and down is nice and smooth and quiet. So why that? Well, as I've been told, or so I found anyway on the internet, there's a cable that's responsible for this, and I'll try to give you a look at that. So what I've learned on the internet is that the fault of the noise is this cable that runs from side to side to drive the seat back and forth. And apparently this cable can be removed. I've seen where the seat has been removed to do it. And I have the seat all the way up. I'm going to see if I can remove this without removing the seat. Removing the seat, you run the risk of getting it out of alignment. And the other thing is you need to have the proper socket for these eTorx, and I actually do not have the eTorx socket. So let's see. Where is that? Let's see if we can remove that. So removing that cable turned out to be way simpler than I had imagined. All I did was took my little trim tool here and pried underneath it and popped right out. So it's an interesting cable. It's you take the cable part out of this is just a plastic sleeve. And the cable itself, it's a cable, but it's wrapped in like a cloth material. So I'm curious about what lubricating this will do, if anything. So we're going to give it a try. I'm thinking that I will use this Lloyd's product. It's a corrosion inhibitor and lubricant. I guess you could use maybe WD-40 or something like that. So I'm going to lubricate this and put it back in, and we'll see what happens. So we've reinstalled the cable. It actually went in fairly easily. It clips into 3 clips along the length of the seat support. The sleeve on this end slides into a recess, and the other end, it's really hard to get a picture of. I don't know if I can actually do that. You might have to just take my word for it, because there's all kinds of stuff in the way here. But the other end, the cable, the sleeve is a little shorter on the other end. Anyway, the way I installed it is I put in that end first and that end second, and then you just push the cable down into the clips. So, yeah. It's actually much simpler than I thought. And I showed you how I lubricated that. And it's not as quiet as the up and down, but man, that is way better than it was before. So yeah, bonus. Didn't have to take the seat out. And what I really like is a no-cost repair. So anybody with a screaming seat, it's a real simple fix.